Hello, friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. So, today we have come with a new topic, that is EIGRP. So, here I have taken a small topology in which we will configure this EIGRP routing protocol. And EIGRP routing protocol is a dynamic routing protocol. It is quite easy to configure, and for a small network, or it is a Cisco proprietary protocol, so you can configure only on Cisco router. So in this topology, three routers are there, and these are routers in Cisco packet tracer Cisco only, and few other devices also connected, and these devices for only to ping from each other. So let's go how to configure. So here I have configured IP address or this on this PC and this PC and on this server as well, but not configure any IP address on these interface. So what should we do now? Go to the these routers and configure IP address which are given there, and configure on interface one by one. So let's go on router gain and config t interface gig 0 by 0 on 0/0 interface, and put the IP address is 192.168.1.1. IP no shut. Okay, so here are many interface and where you will have to configure one by one. So let's configure quickly and then we will go EIGRP protocol in detail. Stay tuned. So go and configure EIGRP. So let's configure on this router config t and router EIGRP router EIGRP on give autonomous number system. You can give 10. Okay, any autonomous system from 1 to 65,535. And network is all connected network for this router. So connected network are 2.0, 3.0 and 1.0. 2.0 with wildcard mask 0.0.0 and 255. So 4/24 wildcard mask is this. You can remember, and otherwise you can refer my another video where wildcard mask is uh, is described in detail. So wildcard mask, good. And another network is 1.0 and last network is 3.0. That's it. Go on this router and configure the same thing with the network address. So network address are 2.0, 4.0 and 5.0. So config t router EIGRP, sorry, give the autonomous number system. You can give same or you can give as per your choice. It should be and this autonomous number system is unique, locally assigned in the router. So it is not a problem if you give the same autonomous number system for this router or you are giving the different autonomous number system. So assign network is 192.168.5.0 and wildcard mask is same because for the 24/24 2.0 and 4.0, sorry. Okay, that's it. And go on this router also and configure the same thing. Router EIGRP 10 and network is 3.0 and 4.0. Okay, so your EIGRP configuration is done now. Now you can ping. Let's go and ping again the IP address. Same. So you can see reply from 5.10 is coming now. You can see reply is coming. You can ping any device in the network. Ping 192.68.5.68.5.100. It is pinging. You can ping with the name ping router gray. So you can get the reply from router gray. Okay, let's check from this PC. Ping PC below. So you are getting reply from this PC below. Ping router green. You are getting the reply, or you can ping DNS server. You are getting the reply. Okay. So that was the configuration of EIGRP protocol, and hope you have learned about it. And if you have any query question related to this topic, so you can ping or your comment in the comment section below, and hope we will try to answer you. And if you have any question related to this host name, how I can ping any device with the host name instead of IP address, so it is quite easy. Configuring DNS server in the network, and then DNS services. With the help of DNS services, you are able to ping any device with the name of host with host name instead of IP address. So you can see on DNS server, DNS services. So these are the host name and with the IP address. So if you ping any the host name like router green, so it will take the IP address from this router green. This is the IP address, so it is able to ping. If you want to learn it in detail, so you can refer my another video, and link is given in the description below, and refer I button in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.